Hello mates, my name is Jaime Alonso Candao from Nonica.io. Welcome to the first video of the video series we are doing for our Revit plugin, NonicaTab PRO. In this video series, we're going to be reviewing each feature of NonicaTab PRO 4.0, explain all the possibilities and how far you can get with our Revit plugin. First of all, we're going to be using Revit 2023 and Dynamo 2.13, but of course it's also possible to use other Revit version and Dynamo versions from 2019, no problem on that. We're going to download NonicaTab PRO, so we need to close Revit and then we go to the App Store and then we go for Revit product, and from here we can just click on Nonica. Then we have our two versions. The one we're gonna be reviewing in this video series is NonicaTab PRO. And you can simply use the free 30-day trial button, which does not require any payment method or anything. You just need to sign in with your Autodesk account, the one you're gonna be using in your Autodesk Revit. Then you can just download it and then run it. During the installation, we can select which Autodesk Revit version we want to install the plugin in. We're going to select 2023. We just need to open Revit 2023. And as soon as we open Revit, we will see we have a new tab which is called NonicaTab PRO. It's very simple. We got all these buttons. Each one of these buttons is meant to host one Dynamo script. So as you can see, it has like a small arrow at the bottom that we can click, and it is a drop-down menu. Each one of these buttons from the drop-down menu is used to set up the button on top. So for this one, we have all these buttons, but for each one, we can use them to set up all the different buttons. So we're gonna explain in this video how you can set up one button, and then you can follow that to set up your whole toolbar. So first of all, we click on the arrow, we go into setup a script, and we just need to select the theme file. And as soon as we click on it, the bottom name changes, but also the icon, as our add-in has detected the script. But also we can set up an icon. Our app includes 3 different colors, so we can just click on purple, for example, and we have all to choose from. But also we can just select any JPG or PNG, and it will automatically go into the bottom as this one. But still we have some missing information. We have the name, which is right, and we have description, which is pending to be changed. So in order to change that, we just go to the last one, which is setup details. And on this menu, we can change the name if we want, but so far we're gonna leave this one. But we can also change the description. So we're gonna explain what it does. And once we are done, we just need to click on apply, and then the button is all set. As you can see, all the information is in there. So this is just the first video, as I was saying. In the coming videos, we're gonna review how we can execute them. Of course, it's very simple to just click on it to run the script, but we're gonna review other methods. For example, how we can add the button to this toolbar, or how we can run the script from a keyboard shortcuts, and many others. Have a look to our YouTube channel and to other videos we have. Thank you very much.